Yo, I'm about to share with you how you can start earning $1,000 commissions next. Hey, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you're watching this video, I am assuming that you are interested in earning $1,000 commissions because you see the title of this video. All right, so I'm about to explain to you how you can actually partner with a company that will give you the ability to earn $1,000 commissions over and over again, and ultimately build you a real online business. So what I'm going to do right now is answer some of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to new opportunities, new ways to make money online. I'm about to go over these questions that I'm sure a lot of people will be asking me. So this way, you don't even gotta ask. Now, these questions are in no particular order, but let's just jump straight into it. First of all, is this opportunity a network marketing opportunity? And the answer is no. All right, not at all. Because usually when it comes to network marketing, it's all about, building a big, huge team and making a little bit of money from each person on your team, anywhere from like 10 cents to maybe $1 if you're lucky, right? And a lot of times with network marketing, you might get like an upfront commission, maybe $50 or $100 maybe. And then, like I said, you got to count on having thousands of people on your team to make any sort of like real money. All right. With this opportunity, it's straight up basic direct sales. You're going to get $1,000 commissions for every sale you generate, and then you just keep it moving. Right. Like, it's a straight up direct sales business opportunity. Now, this next question is one I hate when people ask it, but I understand why they ask it. And it's probably one of the most popular questions when it comes to new online opportunities. And that is there an investment? All right. And the answer is yes. There is an investment to be able to partner with this company. And I'm going to tell you why. First of all, the training that you get as a part of this partnership is crazy. All right. Now, lately I've been talking about one of the best skills to have to make money is sales. All right. Like, if you know how to sell, honestly, you should never be broke ever. Right. It doesn't matter what situation you in. If you have some basic sales skills, you should be able to make money. So if you don't have any sales skills, the training that you're going to get in this program is the same type of training that big companies get to help their salespeople close deals. So you'll be able to take this sales training and use it to sell whatever you want. So the sales training that you get alone is worth the investment, but really that's kind of just like a bonus, right? Because you're going to get access to products, and one in particular, a product that can earn you $1,000 commissions every time you generate a sale. And like you see in the title, this is a done for you opportunity. And what that means is, well, yes, you actually do gotta do some sort of effort, right? But everything is laid out in the training that you get. So not only will you get sales training that you can use, to sell anything, but you're actually going to get everything that you need to be able to sell the products inside of the program. So you're going to have everything you need to be successful with this opportunity, from scripts, from spreadsheets, from documents, you name it. Everything is laid out for you, and all you got to do is just take action. Now, this next question is another popular one that a lot of people ask when it comes to new opportunities, and that is, how much time do I need to put into this opportunity to get some results? All right. So honestly, I always say the more time you can put into an opportunity, the more money you will make. So with this particular opportunity, if you want to get real results, you should be able to put in at least 2 hours a day. All right. And I'm even saying, Monday through Friday. All right. Like 5 days out the week, if you can put in a solid 2 hours a day, right? Not bullshitting hours, like 2 real hours, you should be able to get results, and some really, really good results if you can put that amount of time in. Now, the next question is this opportunity newbie friendly? All right. Now, let me keep it all the way real. Some people confuse newbie friendly with being like, I don't want to do absolutely nothing, right? Versus newbie friendly means, hey, can anybody, with no prior background or experience, can somebody jump in here and actually be successful doing this type of work, right? And the answer is yes. This is very newbie friendly. And once you get involved with the program and you see all you have to do, the only things that you need to do to be successful, trust me, anybody can do this, right? But, all right, there is a but. Like, you do have to be willing to do the steps in the program to be successful, right? But they're very, very, very easy steps. But you do have to have that desire, that willpower, that discipline to stick to the script. If you do decide to get involved with this opportunity, you have to come into it knowing, hey, all I need to do is stick to the script. If I can stick to that 2 hours a day and follow the steps, I will be successful. If you have that mentality, then you're on the right track. So a final question that I know a lot of people would ask is, who is this opportunity for? All right, well, keeping it all the way real, I hate to sound cliche, right? But this opportunity is for anyone who is serious about making real money online. And when I'm talking about real money online, I'm not talking about, make $5 taking surveys or $10 reviewing websites and things like that, or micro tasks, none of that, right? I'm talking about people who are like, yo, I really want to make $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 a month, and I am serious about doing it, right? So it doesn't matter if you are man, woman, black, white, whatever. If you have that drive, discipline, and real financial goals, this is for you. But like I said, if you're one of them people, and a lot of people I run into them, right? I run into them all the time. People who just like, yeah, I want to make all this money. I'm serious. Oh yeah, I want more information. Da 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 da. But you really don't want to do anything. You're not willing to invest in yourself. You're not willing to invest in the opportunity, and which is the wackest shit. You're not willing to do any work, right? If you're not willing to put in at least 2 hours a day, if you're that type of person, this shit ain't for you. It's not. I'm gonna keep it all the way real. It's not for you. So I just answered all of the basic questions that most people are going to have about this opportunity. Now, if you still want to get more information about partnering with this company, all you need to do is click that link in the description, and you will be able to connect with your boy, and I'll be able to give you more information. So keep in mind, you will be talking to me. So I'm telling you right now, right? You click on that link, right? And you decide to connect with me. Do not message me and be like, hey, you ever heard of Live Good? Or ask me like, yo, I saw your YouTube video. Like, is this real? You know what I mean? Like, nah, don't do that. You know what it is, right? If you're serious, you know where to find me. All right, click that link in the description, and I will talk to you shortly.